Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Paychex Payroll Software. Now, Paychex is a popular payroll software that offers businesses with a range of payroll services and solutions. It helps companies manage their payroll more efficiently and accurately, saving them time and money. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, if you are interested in Paychex, you'll find a link in the description down below. And if I do find any discounts, I'll make sure to include them in the description as well. Now, Paychex offer a variety of features that can help businesses streamline their payroll processes. One of its key features is its user-friendly interface, which makes it easy for employers to manage employee payroll and benefits. The software also offers automated payroll processing, which reduces the risk of errors and saves time. Additionally, Paychex offer a range of tax services, including tax calculation, filing, and reporting. Also, it offers employee self-service features, allowing employees to access their pay stubs and their payroll information from anywhere at any time. Now, the benefits of Paychex payroll software are numerous. First, it can save businesses time and money by automating many of their payroll processes, which means employers can spend less time on administrative tasks and more time on growing their business. Also, Paychex offer accurate tax services, which helps businesses avoid costly mistakes and penalties. Additionally, Paychex offer a range of HR services such as employee onboarding, background checks, and employee benefits, which can help businesses attract and retain top talent. And finally, Paychex offer excellent customer support with a team of experts available to assist businesses with any payroll related questions or issues. All in all, Paychex payroll software is a comprehensive payroll solution that can benefit businesses of all sizes. Its user-friendly interface, automated processing, and tax services make it an excellent choice for businesses looking to streamline their payroll processes. Additionally, its range of HR services and excellent customer support make it a valuable partner for businesses looking to attract and retain top talent. Paychex is a top choice to many businesses looking to simplify their payroll processes and save time and money. So that's gonna be it for this video. Again, if you're interested in Paychex, you'll find a link to pricing and discounts if I happen to find any, as well as in-depth reviews in the description down below. And feel free to comment below if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys. And like and subscribe if you found this video helpful or would like to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'd love to see you guys in our future videos.